We are on our way back to Nashville, Tennessee from Denver, and our flight was originally supposed to leave at around 7 o'clock, and we got a text message after arriving here early that our flight was going to be delayed about an hour and a half, now leaving sometime around 9 o'clock.
Airport employee, law enforcement officer, or TSA representative. Unattended items.
We decided to get here early just in case, drop the rental car off, and we got a message about TSA backup, so we just wanted to make sure everything was lined up and we wouldn't be the reason for a delay, and then we ended up getting a text message about being delayed anyway. It's started snowing last night. The weather the entire time we were here was rather mild up until today, and big temperature drop, quite a bit of snow, and the roads were a little messy on the way here. We were here in Denver for my husband to interview for a pilot job with a major airline. So I think that's kind of funny that we've experienced these types of delays when that's what he's looking into getting into now as a career.